Step 1.
Put the egg.
Put the egg. Soak. Go.
More.
Yeah.
If it's floating, you have to wait it to sink down.
Okay.
Put the banana peels.
Correct.
This banana.
Push it. How about the others? There.
Letting them crack.
Yeah, you can do that. Okay, so next, step 2.
Step 2.
You let it soak for 5 minutes.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh no. No,
How about in eggshells? Eggshells has calcium too.
Eggshells.
It will help the plant grow.
Big and strong.
Next step is we're gonna boil them
Huh? Yeah.
for 5 minutes.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Take long.
No.
Let's go. Some water.
Okay. Hold properly.
Oh, dude.
Because the water is cold already, we're gonna put more. Okay, that's good.
Fill this.
Okay, next is
Let's fill this now.
yes.
Oh.
Hold properly. Hold. Make it strong. Very strong. Hold properly. Scoop some fertilizer. Go. Then, yeah.
A little bit.
Yes. More. Around them. Does it smell good?
No.
No.
I shouldn't touch this.
It smells good because that's banana and egg.
Wow, I like bananas and eggs.
Okay. You can pour them in the leaves and on the flower. Slowly, just slowly. There you go.
Can I put it on the spiky things?
Slowly. Still have another plant.
Fertilizer. Yay.
Okay, that's the last one. Next plant.
I'm sorry.
More. Okay, yeah, that's the last one. So what can you say about our fertilizer?
Fertilizer is good.
Yeah, and then?
And it's made of bananas and eggs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the red button and see more videos.
Guys,
Bye guys.